In this video, I'll show you how to add royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library to CapCut. Let's get started. First, go to the YouTube audio library. Browse or search for the song you want to use. Click the play button to preview the track and ensure it fits your needs. Once you've chosen a song, click the download icon next to it. Wait for the download to complete. Open CapCut and create a new project. Click Import and select the song you just downloaded from YouTube's audio library. Click the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the song to add it to your timeline. And that's it! Now you can use YouTube's royalty-free music in your CapCut projects. If this helped, stay tuned for more tips. See you next time.